Welcome back, my fellow Python developers. In this video, we're going to be setting up IntelliJ. So the first thing you'll see is this layout right here. It might be a little bit different, but generally speaking, every IntelliJ looks the same. We're going to click on new project in here, and you should see the following screen. You click on Python and you should see Python 3.9. And if you do see it, that's it. That is enough. You can continue to the next video, although I do recommend that you finish this one just in case there's something missing. Some of you might not see this because you haven't installed it correctly or your computer is just being weird. So what you can do is you can click on this drop down and you should find Python 3.9, 3.11, 3.515, I don't know, whatever version you're on right now. But if you still don't see it, that means that your computer has not detected it yet. You can click on Add Python SDK, and now you have to go and find the location where this was saved. In my case, it was saved in C user Mish. I called my computer Mish whenever I got it. That was like 4 years ago, and I was never able to change it. Next thing you need to do is right here, you should find the base interpreter. This should also be found just in case you don't have it. Go and look for it. And finally, you need to make sure to make available to all projects, and you can also inherit global site packages. And then in here, you should click OK, but because I haven't made any changes, you should be able to click on that, and boom, there we go. And then when you're back here, you can click on next. You can call your project, you can select where you want to add all of your projects. Of course, find a suitable location, create a file for all the projects. And I do recommend, if you have an SSD and not an HDD, to save it in that SSD. It will help open up your projects much faster. And that's basically it. That is IntelliJ. In the next video, we're going to be creating our first Python code. Yay! How fun is that going to be? I hope it is. And by the way, you don't have to have the Z in the search. I just typed it in because I don't want to reveal the privacy of my students and the projects that we've had together. So thank you so much for watching. As I told you, in the next video, we're going to have our first Python program created. So I will see you then. If you're still facing challenges in here, just please contact me or leave a question wherever you can, and I will get back to you. But this is pretty much straightforward. I've never had any like very bad, none of my students were very complainative. Is that even a word? Complainative about setting up IntelliJ. So I hope you don't face any issues. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.